And finally, another question that a number of people had some issues with is the function the negative square root of 49 minus x squared 1-to-1. So just quickly remember classifying functions as 1-to-1, many-to-one, one-to-many, or many-to-many. We need to do our horizontal line test and our vertical line test. Remember that our vertical line test, it focuses on the y values. So it tells us the second part. So it will tell us if it's a 2-1 or too many. And the horizontal line test, well, it focuses on the first part and it's our x values. And again, it will tell us what's happening there. And remember that with both of these tests, if it crosses any of those lines exactly once, then what we have is it passes the test. Remember our vertical line test with functions, if it only crosses it once, it's a function. But if it fails, we will call it to a many. So just quickly, hopefully you guys have recognized that this is a semicircle because it's a square root. It's below the x-axis because we've got this negative sign here, and it's got a radius of 7 because the square root of 49 is 7. Hopefully you guys saw that. And just over here on the left, you can see I've got a quick sketch of that. So if I was to pull out my light blue and we're going to do our vertical line test. So if I was to draw some kind of vertical line, in an exam, I would encourage you, this is where you get your ruler. And what I'm about to do with my vertical line on my iPad, do with your ruler. So what I can see here is that with my vertical line test, it passes my vertical line test. Everywhere that I send this vertical line test through, it only touches the graph once. So it passes my vertical line test. So that means it's a 2-1 function. Yeah, and Ethan, you do have it correct there. It's going to be that, a many-to-one. When I draw my horizontal line through, it's horizontal-ish, and I pass up and down. You can see it crosses more than once, so it fails the horizontal line test. So that fails. So that makes it a many-to-one function. Was that okay?